everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today's Friday, April 22nd. Today we have fabric, we have Fat Qurater Friday, we have a vendor to share with you, and we have giveaways, so stay tuned for all of it. First up is our Fat Qurater Friday bundle. This is called Georgia's Peaches by our own Georgia, whose name I love and wish I could have used. It's okay. I'm not bitter. So Georgia's Peaches are a lovely collection of peach-colored fabrics with some gray accents in there. Our Fat Qurater Friday bundles are always curated by staff members, and they are limited, so they are available while supplies last, either online or you can find them here in the shop. Next up, we have, this is called I've Got a Notion. We've got a notion that you're going to love this collection by Shelley Davies from Northcott. Unique and playful sewing themed prints in bright, cheerful colors, anchored by detailed collage of vintage sewing machines. This is kind of fun. It's kind of gritty looking. It has a little black grittiness in it. So it's not just dots or just stripes. It has a little bit of kind of vintage feel to it. And then look at that little polka dot. That's cute too. And then we have bunches and bunches of buttons. Who has a button jar at home? I think I inherited a couple of button jars, and I definitely have plenty of buttons. I don't think I'm ever going to use them for anything, but it's always good to have them. And then, of course, the spool cabinet. When I was little, I used to sit next to my mother's sewing machine while she sewed and untangle all the spools in her drawer. So I think that was the beginning of the end for me. And I also organized the pins on the tomato pin cushion in color order. That was how crazy I was, and still am probably. And then here are buttons in a different colorway. I like that one too. And more pins. Oh, we've got lime green pins. Every single manufacturer of fabric seems to have a sewing themed line, and I really don't buy a lot of them, but when I do buy them, it's because I love them. So this one to me is really fun. Wouldn't that be a fun little bag to carry your things to be, or to retreat, or to classes? And how many pairs of scissors do you have? Let me know that in the comments. I don't even know if I could count all mine. Now this is my favorite. This reminds me of those puzzles. Super fun. Look at all of that. Oh, and also, who has one of those butter cookie tins for all your sewing things? And this even has, look at the tracing wheel right there. So fun, so fun. So again, this collection is called I've Got a Notion. So if you're looking for it online, that's how you'll find it. Now we've got the Oak City Crochet Gals. This represents the work of two different people, and they have been at our markets, I think, for at least 4 times now, and they come back every time. So let me just share with you some of the items we've got. This is Charmander. He's a Pokemon guy. That's what I'm reading here. My kids are not Pokemon age anymore, but he's super cute. And then we have Harry Potter, tiny Harry Potter. So adorable. I am a still beginner crocheter, and I am completely blown away at what these ladies can do. Velvet Honeybee. This is, oh, you just want to pet him. He looks friendly too. He does have a tiny little stinger though. So cute. Octo Baby. So a tiny little baby octopus with bows in her hair. I'm telling you, the stuff that they make is so adorable. This is my favorite. This is chicken nuggets. Look at how cute they are. If I had somebody that I could give chicken nuggets to, I would completely do it. So that's chicken nuggets. And then we have mug cozies. This is a kitchen towel holder that you can hook onto your oven handle to hook a kitchen towel there. And these are 2 giveaways from Aimee. They are called Squeezy Buddies with Eyes. So when you just need to do this to people, you can do it to your Squeezy Buddies with Eyes. So those are going to be the 2 giveaways from Aimee. Now I have things from Aimee's partner in crime. This is a scarf that has heart shapes in it. Can you see this little heart shape right here? Heart shape holes. So there's that. And then we have this shawl is beautiful. Look at this. Let me see if I can put it on for you. I'll be a model for 1 second. Look how lovely that is. So, so pretty. And the color changes are so nice. And then, let's see. That's a really nice one. That could be nice for a NC State student, maybe. A school that has those colors. And then she also makes these towels and trivets. I'm not sure I would use those as a pot holder, but it would make a good trivet. Towels and trivets that go together for your maybe your fridge or your oven. And she also has these plastic bag holders where you drop them in the top and pull them out the bottom. And then this is a small version of the market bag. You might want to put like fragile fruit in that one. And these are all Maggie Crawford's things. And then this is Maggie's giveaway. It is a succulent that needs no care and always looks terrific. So this is, I love, look at that, what she did with the little torn apart yarn on top. So fun. So Maggie and Aimee are always a big hit at the show. I bought some things last year for my kids' Christmas stockings, and they're always a ton of fun. So be sure I'll link both of them in our description today, and be sure to visit their sites and support them if you can. And then we have the winners from Rick Mateo's Bulletproof Sauces. Rick D'Amato's Bulletproof Sauces. From YouTube, we have a local friend, Donna Moldovan, who's going to be able to try a sauce. In YouTube, she said, I'm always looking for the perfect sauce. So hopefully Bulletproof is going to be it. From Facebook, I honestly could not give this to Audrey Sauceman because she said, who else needs sauce other than a sauceman? So Audrey Sauceman, you've won the orange ginger bulletproof sauce. We hope you have a great weekend. Find some time to sew, find some time to get outside. It's going to be beautiful here in North Carolina. And we'll see you back here from the shop on Monday. Bye.